Hello, poultry enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of Black Cochin Roosters, a majestic and distinct chicken breed known for its striking appearance and charming disposition. These remarkable birds have unique qualities and requirements for successful rearing. But before we dive into this exciting journey, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into this captivating world of poultry. Black Cochin Roosters are a breed steeped in history. Originally from China, they were brought to Europe and the United States in the mid-19th century. These roosters are a variety of the Cochin breed, known for their feathered legs and gentle temperament. Their distinctive appearance and friendly demeanor have made them a favorite among poultry enthusiasts. Black Cochin Roosters are known for their fluffy, voluminous feathers that cover their entire bodies, including their legs. Their plumage is jet black, giving them a regal and elegant appearance. These roosters have a small, rounded comb and wattles, which are less susceptible to frostbite in cold climates. To successfully raise and care for Black Cochin Roosters, it's important to provide them with the right growing conditions. These roosters thrive in a spacious coop with good ventilation. Adequate space and cleanliness are essential to prevent feather-related health issues. Black Cochin Roosters are well suited to various climates, but they should be protected from extreme cold or heat. Providing access to clean, fresh water and a balanced diet is crucial to support their overall well-being. Black Cochin Roosters generally have a calm and friendly disposition, making them compatible with other chicken breeds and poultry species. They are known for their docile nature and often serve as peacemakers in the flock. These roosters serve multiple purposes in backyard flocks. While they may not be prolific egg layers, Black Cochin Roosters are excellent protectors, sounding alarms in case of the danger. Their regal appearance and friendly demeanor also make them popular for expedition and poultry shows. In conclusion, Black Cochin Roosters are a delightful and charming addition to any poultry enthusiast flock. Their history, distinctive appearance, and amiable nature make them a beloved choice among chicken keepers. If you found this exploration as captivating as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of poultry on our channel.